Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on structure within the structure or nested structure. So it is the most important concept in structures in C language. Structure within the structure. Before going to this topic, first of all, what is a structure? A structure is a collection of heterogeneous data type elements under a single name called as structure. So mainly structures are used for storing different data type elements come under a single name called as a structure. So structure within the structure means a structure can be declared as a member in other structure is called as a structure within the structure or nested structure. Simply we can say that nested structure is nothing but a structure within the another structure is called as nested structure. Okay. What is structure within the structure? One structure can be declared as a member in other structure is called as structure within the structure. Suppose we can go to this example, we can understand how one structure can be declared as a member in another structure. We can easily understand with this example. Suppose we can take two structure. First structure is called as college. Second structure is called as student. So now this entire structure can be declared as a member in another structure called student. Okay, how to declare the entire structure as a member in another structure is, so struct structure name and what is the variable what is the variable we are created for this structure. Okay, so this can be added as a member in this structure. Okay, the first structure is structure name is college. It contains two members. The first member is college ID. Its data type is integer. The second member is college name and its data type is char. Okay, next go to the second structure. Structure name is student. It contains three members. First member is roll number and its data type is integer. Second member is name and its data type is char. Third member is percentage. Its data type is float. Now this entire structure can be declared as a member in student structure. So for that purpose, how to declare this entire structure as a member in another structure is struct keyword is first you can write struct keyword, next you can write structure name, next what is the variable we are created for this structure. So these three members can be write as a member in another structure called student. So struct keyword, structure name is college. What is the variable we are created for college? COLG is the structure variable. So semicolon. Next, brace close. So std is the structure variable created for the structure student. Okay. So after it is completed, next we have to write main function. So void main. So structure name is student. What is the variable you are created for structure student? std. Here this is structure initialization. So here we have to initialize this structure by using this members and this members. We have to initialize all the members in two structures, because so this entire structure can be declared as a member in another structure called student. Now, so first you can initialize these three members. So when we are initializing this one, we can go to this structure. According to the data type, we can initialize the values. So structure name is student, and the variable we are created for the structure student is std is equal to. So in this structure, first member name is roll number. So roll number is value is equal to 1. Name is DSR. Percentage is 95. Next, when we are going to this one, so this one go to this structure college. What are the members are there? College ID. College ID is 76. College name is LBRC. So in this way, we have to initialize all the members of the two structures. Okay. Next, CLR SCR printf roll number is how to access the each and every member in the structure. To access these members in the structure by using the structure variable name, structure variable dot member name. So here to access the roll number, first you can write structure variable dot member name. So structure variable is std dot member name is roll number. So std dot roll number. Next, how to access the name? Structure variable dot name. So printf name is percentage s. So it is a string. So the data type is percentage s. Control string is percentage s. So std dot name. Next, percentage std structure variable dot member name, that is std dot percentage. So percentage is percentage of slash and std dot percentage. Next, go to this one. So when we are asking how to access this member, this structure variable dot this structure variable dot college ID. So that is std dot college dot colg dot college ID. So college ID is percentage d slash n std dot college colg dot college ID. Next, how to access this number? std dot colg dot college name. std dot colg dot college name. Okay, in this way we have to access all the members of the structure. So this is the example program for structure within the structure over nested structure. So this is the main step. This is the main step in this program. This entire structure acts as a member in the other structure. So how to add this entire structure as a member in another structure? So first we are using a struct keyword. Next, structure name. What is the variable we are using for this structure? That is colg. So struct structure name variable name semicolon. When we are access this members, structure variable dot roll number, structure variable dot name, structure variable dot percentage. How to access this member? So structure variable dot, this structure variable is colg, std dot colg dot college id, అలానే std dot colg dot college name. So in this way we have to access all the members of the structure by using the concept called structure within the structure. We can go to another example program. Struct employee. Here the members of the employee structure are int emp number, char name of 30, float salary, char dept of 20. Next, struct date int day int month int year. So the structure variable is dog. This entire structure variable is emp. So now void main struct employee emp is equal to employee number is 1, name is TSR, salary is 25,000, department is CSE, this is 9/06/2014. Next, CLR SCR, printf employee number is, data type is percentage d, slash and double quotation emp dot emp number. Next, printf employee name is percentage yes slash and double quotation emp dot en. Next, printf salary is percentage f slash and double quotation emp dot salary. Next, printf department is percentage s slash n double quote sign emp dot dept. emp dot dept. Next, printf this one day is percentage d slash n double quote sign. How to access day? emp dot dog dot day. emp dot doj dot date. Next, printf month is percentage d slash n double quote sign emp dot doj dot month. Next, printf year is percentage d slash n, all are integers, slash n comma emp dot doj dot year. So next, get ch. So this is the given program. Here one structure can be declared as a member inside the other structure. So that is also structure within the structure. Okay, so here first structure is struct employee. It contains the members, employee number, employee name, salary, department. Now we can take another structure, so that is a date. So here the employee date of joining, so that date of joining contains so three members: day, month, year. Okay, this entire structure can be declared as a member inside this structure. Okay, so here structure date can be written as a member inside the other structure. Other structure is employee, so date structure can be written inside the structure employee as a member. Okay, so for this structure we can create a variable called doj. So for the entire structure we can create a variable called as emp. Okay, now we have to access these four members by using the variable emp. emp dot emp number, emp dot ename, emp dot salary, emp dot dept. But how to access these members? These members access entire structure variable dot inside structure variable dot member name. So that is emp dot doj dot day, emp dot doj dot month, emp dot doj dot year. So void main. So now we have to initialize the structure. So struct employee emp. emp is the variable created for the structure employee is equal to, how to initialize this structure? Employee number 1, employee name DSR, employee salary 25,000, employee department CSC. So this structure where these members can be initialized by using a separate brace. So day, that is 09 comma month, 06 comma year 2014. Now we have to access these members. How to access the row EMP number? So printf employee number is, data type is percentage D slash N. So EMP dot EMP number. Okay. Printf employee name is character. So that is percentage character array. So control string is percentage S. EMP dot ename. EMP dot ename. Next, how to access the salary? EMP dot salary. EMP dot salary. Next, how to access the department? EMP dot DEPT. Here, this is also a character array. We have to use the control string percentage S. EMP dot DEPT. How to access this one? So, entire structure variable is EMP dot, this structure variable is DOG dot member name. EMP dot DOG dot day. So here day is EMP dot DOG dot day. Next, how to access the month? EMP dot DOG dot month. EMP dot DOG dot month. How to access the year? EMP dot DOG dot year. EMP dot DOG dot year. So in this, the output is 1 DSR 25,000 CSC 0906 2014. Structure within the structure. So the first program is also correct. The second program is also correct. Whichever you feel very easily, that program can proceed. Both are examples for structure within the structure. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name DIVVELA SRINIVASA. So thank you for watching this video.